Who can mention you on TikTok app? Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to limit who can mention you on TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok and click on those three lines up there. Now click on setting and privacy. Click on privacy and scroll down. Click on mentions. And here you have choose who can mention you in their description, stickers, or comments and stories. Click and choose everyone, people you follow, followers that you follow back, or no one. Choose wherever you want of these to limit who can mention you. Easy and quick. So hope this video was helpful to you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.